Well, just another quick follow-up video to the video I just made on the Olight Baton 4 Premium. Olight just sent me another color here in the same light. This is the Baton 4 Premium, but this color here is called Nocturnal Sentinel. Now, I already did a full unboxing and review on this light. The functions and all of the features on this light are going to be the same. The only thing that's different is the color and the pattern here. So let's open this one up so we can take a closer look. Well, that definitely is designed to stand out, as they say. I think that looks really neat. Really neat pattern on this case. Let's open it up and take a closer look at the light. Also need to pull out this little insulating strip, and we're also going to unscrew the tail cap. I'm going to take this film out of the light as well. Take a look at that color pattern on there. That is so cool. It still has that really nice aggressive knurling and the laser etched button here. Let's press that to turn it on, and you can still see these little green LEDs lighting up. 2 LEDs on the left lets us know that this is on medium, and the 3 LEDs on the right letting us know that this is fully charged. Now, the case is only at 35%, so we'll get that plugged in and get this topped off, but definitely is a very cool light. Definitely will stand out. Again, you have the ability to operate it in the case just by pressing this button. That is more of a soft press, by the way. Somebody asked on the other review here what that felt like. It's a soft press button. It's really not a hard click or anything like that. Press and hold and it will go all the way up. Press and hold again and that'll ramp all the way down in a stepless dimming. Pretty neat feature. And you can always just close the lid and that turns the light off, or you can press the button to turn it off as well. Super cool color, super cool pattern. Definitely would be fun for the kids. You know, if you're out trick-or-treating, give them this light and they can take that with them. And of course, it's a light that you're sure to get back because nobody's going to question, hey, whose light is this? They're going to know that this is yours. Definitely is cool to have not only the ability to have a little light to take with you, but you also have the ability to keep it charged. Again, the color on this is called Nocturnal Sentinel, and it's available now. Olight is having a Halloween sale right now. I'll get links in the description for you where you can pick this up. But that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick this up. They're also bundling this with a couple other lights on the sale. And of course, I'll also get a link to the full video of the Baton 4 Premium unboxing and review for you as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.